Here we ask which of the following must be true whenever a, b, and c are integers, that means whole numbers, such that a is less than 0 and b is greater than c, while c is also greater than 0. So we know that a, since it's less than 0, must be negative. Potential numbers are -1 or -10 or -1000. So b can be something else. We know that b is greater than c, while c is also greater than 0. So b could be, let's say, 2, while c is 1. That works. Or b could be 20, while c stays at 1. So let's look. A minus c is greater than 0? I don't think so. -1 minus 1 is -2, which is not greater than 0. That doesn't work. Okay? Now, b. C minus b is less than 0. Let's take a look at the numbers. C. They're always going to be smaller than b, aren't they? And we can only go across like this. So this number minus this number, or this number minus this number. Since they're always going to be smaller, and they have to be whole numbers or integers, we know that, and b must always be bigger. It can't be the same. So it could be 1 minus 2 or 1 minus 20. So we know that we're going to end up with 1 minus 2 is -1, and that is less than 0. So we actually know that this looks good so far. One quick way to think about these tests is to know that once you find the correct answer, unless you're unsure of it, you need to go ahead and choose it. Because if you found a correct answer that works, unless it has multiple options, say select all that are true, then you need to go ahead and select it and move on to the next problem in order to save time. The next options, in this case, if you were to check them out, they all rely on knowing what exactly A and C are in specific circumstances, and A and B in this circumstance. So they could differ. They could or could not, depending on the number that you supply. So A plus C could be greater than 0, but not always. Same with D, same with E. So B is the choice that will always be true, and that's what we want to go ahead and choose. Thank you.